everybody. Welcome back to Be Creative Studio. Today I want to share with you 5 simple plaid fall DIYs made with mostly Dollar Tree materials. Sweater weather is here, so let's get started. First up are these gnome buffalo check planters with chocolate kisses. I start by making a template for covering the clay pots. I make a mark as my starting point, then trace along the top rim until I go around the pot once. I do the same for the bottom rim. Using the template I just made, I cut out a piece of buffalo check fabric, just a little bigger than the actual template. Then I go ahead and paint the clay pot with white chalk paint. Using Mod Podge, I attach the fabric to the pot. To get a clean edge, I make little cuts from the extra fabric and fold them in along the rim. While the pots are drying, I take this window cling and Mod Podge it to a piece of white paper stock. I attach the words "Happy Fall, Y'all" to my buffalo check pots using Dollar Tree's Pop Dot tape. The tape is easy to use, it sticks on both sides. I love the 3D effect it gives. You can easily remove these words and reuse the buffalo check pots for something else later in the year. I love these super cute MDF plaid pumpkins. I also love these woodland gnomes. They're perfect for this project. I attach these fall gnome stickers to my pumpkins and hot glue them to some plant labels. To stabilize the pumpkin labels, I stick them into styrofoam pieces. Finally, I fill the pots with some chocolate kisses. The second craft is this super easy table decor. I start with a standing kitchen decor with a plaid pattern. I'm using a leftover pumpkin from this Dollar Tree hanging sign. Then I attach the pumpkin to my base using the pop dot tape to get a 3D effect. You can build up the tape to the height you want. To embellish, I add some raffia, a gingham bow, and some felt leaves from the Dollar Tree. To add some security, I hot glue the pumpkin and add some Jenga pieces to help it stand up better. The third and fourth crafts are these plaid pumpkins made with scrapbook paper and burlap ribbon. I first make an outline of the raised wood shapes on my pumpkin by pressing along the edge with my finger. Then I cut out the shapes and use them as templates for my second pumpkin made with burlap ribbon. I cut the fabric a little bigger than my template to make sure that I don't cut it too small. Then I refine the shape using detail scissors. I Mod Podge the cutout pieces to my pumpkins. To jazz them up, I add flowers, bows, burlap leaves, and Dollar Tree's Harvest DIY words. I also make stands with wooden Jenga pieces so the pumpkins would stand up. The last DIY is this super cute truck with mini orange gingham pumpkins. I paint the truck yellow and the railing brown. Then I hot glue 2 mini hay bales to the inside of the truck and add some raffia and mini orange gingham pumpkins. Finally, I add one of Dollar Tree's Harvest DIY words. Well, there you have it. 5 easy fall plaid DIYs to make for the season. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.